Planning to spend the day exploring Tokyo without carrying heavy bags around? RadicalStorage offers a convenient and safe way to store your luggage while you enjoy the city. This guide will show you how to use RadicalStorage to find and deposit your luggage at one of their storage points across Tokyo. RadicalStorage partners with local businesses such as hotels, cafes, and shops, ensuring that your belongings are safely stored and fully insured. To avoid any risk of phishing, make sure to use the secure link provided to access the official RadicalStorage website. Once on the site, enter Tokyo in the search bar to see a list of available storage locations. These storage points are spread across the city, making it easy to find one near key landmarks, transit hubs, or downtown areas. After selecting a convenient location, choose your drop-off and pick-up times, and proceed with the secure payment. Once your booking is confirmed, you will receive a reference number and directions to the chosen storage point. When you arrive, simply show the reference number to the staff, and they will securely store your bags. And that's it. You're free to explore Tokyo, knowing your luggage is safe and sound with RadicalStorage. If this guide was helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.